Hey friends, if you wish to fix Zoom keeps crashing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to solve it. Now see, Zoom could face a lot of issues like camera not working, microphone not working, but if it is crashing upon opening, then there are only three solutions for it. Search for Zoom in the Windows search bar, okay, and then click on this option here to run as administrator. Check if it helps. Okay, if it does, well and good. If it doesn't help, it needs a while. If it doesn't, then we'll proceed to the next solution, which is to search for Zoom. Then click on uninstall. Okay, we'll search for it here again. Select these three dots, uninstall and uninstall it. Completely uninstall it. And once it is removed from your system, search for store in the Windows search bar and open the store, and then select Zoom and install it from the Microsoft Store instead of any other third-party website. I believe that it should work, and if it does not, then simply scroll down and check if it even supports the system requirements. Mostly, even if it supports the system requirements, they are just the minimum ones. The recommended system requirements could be a little higher, so maybe your system is not capable of handling Zoom in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.